Control4 X4 is the most advanced operating system we've ever built. X4 features a redesigned user experience, new customer empowerment features, and full Apple HomeKit support with Siri enablement. This update also includes a completely new design and navigation, as well as some incredible new features. From the home screen, monitor and control favorite devices on the entire system from a single screen. New navigation provides the ability to easily switch between whole system control, rooms, routines, sessions, and settings. With widgets, customers can add one of 3 options to pages without requiring changes from their Control4 partner. They can choose from lighting, comfort, or cameras. Similar to scenes with schedules, routines let Control4 partners and customers choose what they'd like to happen and when, all from the Control4 app. Finally, X4 also offers full Apple HomeKit support with in-app voice setup and management. Control4 X4, coming in 2025.